Established in 1997, Jwell grows continually. For the 8th consecutive year, Jwell ranked first in the extrusion industry. More than 300 patents, 5 production bases. Annual produces over 2,000 various extrusion equipments. Export over 120 countries all around the world. Under current highly intelligent circumstance, Jwell actively cooperate and exchange with world-class scientific research institutions, develop new technology, new products. Products are widely used in building material, household appliance, packaging, medical and auto parts, food and beverage, cosmetics, new energy, aerospace, and metro, closely related with our daily life. Since 1997, Jwell's grow is closely connected with Chinese extrusion equipment improvements. We are able to provide one-stop solution for worldly customer. Jwell people keep self-improvement for the past 20 years. Get highly recognition from customers around the world. Gradually become benchmark of rapid and healthy development in our industry. Years experiences make Jwell brand goes around world. No matter where you are, if you find Jwell, you find the best quality Chinese extrusion equipment supplier. Jwell people always keep innovation, developing concept of energy saving, environment friendly, high speed, and stability. Excellent quality, perfect as one. Jwell's quality policy. We put our effort to create a more sophisticated, more energy efficient, more secure, zero defect, perfect product. The world's top various types of precision machining centers and testing equipment. For screw and barrel, T-die, roller, etc. Key components. We strict checks every process. Jwell team moved toward a goal, which establish customer satisfaction, employee happiness. Century-old company with forge ahead in globalization.
每一次去都在发展，每一次去都在建设。我觉得是同行业当中是世界屈指可数的几个厂家。世界上有人的地方，大概都有经纬公司在那里做事情。
Honest, attentive, and enduring. Striving for innovation is our spirit. Jwell is keeping running and creating an unbelievable future.